of background kung ano yung nagawa nyo in the past. Okay? Let's start with Lambert. Isabel Lambert.
Hello po, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. I am Zabel Lambert and I will be playing as Beth for Zoomers. So si Beth po ay BFF ng role ni Crystal na si Tanya and siya rin ay isang possible love interest ng role ni Ralph as Atom.
Okay. What's your acting background? Isabel, bata pa lang ba ikaw ay umaarte na?
So I started doing workshops po 2015.
Wow!
Isa po yun sa Star Magic, public workshop pa lang po yun.
Okay.
I'm not yet artist ng Star Magic.
Okay.
So, tinatsaga ko po yun 2015. Taga Baguio po ako, by the way.
Oh,
So, mag-workshop po ako every Sunday dito sa Star Magic and uuwi ako ng Sunday night pabalik ng Baguio because I have school ng Monday morning. So, tsinaga ko po yun for how many years. But then, I stopped ng around 2018 to finish my senior high school.
Okay.
And then after po nun, doon na po nakapasok na ako sa Star Magic and then nag-workshop po ulit with Star Magic po. And yun po, medyo mahaba po yung showbiz journey ko and medyo matagal ko rin po hinintay itong mga big break na binibigay po sa akin. There are no small roles, ika nga ni Directed. And I am very grateful po na binigay sa akin ang role ni Beth for Zoomers.
Wow! And look at you now, you're here! Promoting Zoomers!
Thank you.
Diba? Kumbaga yung journey mo ay nagsisimula na ngayon, diba? Maraming salamat, Isabel. Hadia!
Hi po, ako po si Hadia Santos and I play the role of Juniper sa Zoomers. Si Juniper naman po, she's just an average student, wallflower, ika nga po nila. And sa acting background ko naman po, actually nag-workshop pa lang po ako and this is my first acting project ever. So first time experiencing audition, tapos grateful po ako na pinalabas ko po yung audition na yon and also first time po mag-taping in general.
So lahat na to bago, first time to sa'yo
Yes
lahat.
po, lahat,
Hadia.
even the MediaCon, everything, first time.
Good
po sa
luck.
akin.
Take it all in. Take it all in. Core memory to. Core memory. Maraming salamat. Kay, ikaw naman.
Hello po everyone! Konnichiwa! I am Kei Kurosawa and I'm playing the role of Faye, beauty influencer, CEO, and the potential love interest of Tanya.
CEO na agad-agad?
Yes!
Wow. Okay, okay. Lady boss. Alright. Acting background.
Acting background pa, actually when I was young, I started dancing.
Okay.
And hindi ko po inakala na mag-acting po ako until 2 years ago or 3 years ago during the pandemic, Star Magic scouted me and since then I've worked
Saan?
So TikTok lang po,
TikTok,
online. So
okay.
naging digital creator lang po ako.
Ano ginagawa mo sa TikTok?
Sumasayaw lang po.
Okay.
POV, ganyan
Alright,
po.
alright.
And then, since 3 years ago, nakapag-work na po ako on an indie film in Japan, as well as an international film with Kuya Carlo Aquino and Hollywood Japanese actors.
Wow.
Yes.
Those are good projects, di ba?
Yes,
I'm sure
opo.
nagbigay sa iyo ng acting experience.
Yes po, but even then, this still feels like a first for me because first time kong makasama sa set, puro ka-age ko and mga friends ko and that's why it's much more fun and exciting.
Alright. Thank you, Kay. Maraming salamat. Luis, ikaw naman.
Hello po, magandang... Good afternoon, good afternoon. Kinakabahan ako, sorry na.
Huwag kang kabahan, Luis. Tayo-tayo lang to. Tayo-tayo lang.
Ayun nga, good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga pinapanood niya. Tapos, ayun, I play the role of Dino. Si Dino is a mysterious character, tapos geeky siya. Tapos mentor niya si Atom, which is Ralph. So,
Okay.
kami yung parang main na may connection.
Alright. Background in acting, Luis.
Background in acting, nag-start ako mag-acting 2017, 2016.
6 years ago, okay.
Tapos na-outload, sabihin na natin ganun. So, nag-workshop ulit ako sa Star Magic as public. Tapos na-scout ako ng Star Magic, nag-audition ako. Tapos napasok akong trainee. Tapos madami pang workshop na pinuntahan. So, worth.
Right. Ang dami rin, parang si Isabel din kanina. Ang dami rin pinagdaanan, but you're here. Diba? Congratulations, Luis. Maraming salamat. Erica!
Hello po,
Ako nga pala po si Erica Marie Davis and I play the character Mika. So, bali si Mika is the type of person which is very similar to me, parang happy-go-lucky lang, tapos mahilig siya, hindi ako yun mahilig siya mag-party, mga ganyan. Hindi ako-
Defensive naman kaagad si Erica naman.
Tapos, ano po siya, ang love interest niya po ay si Luke.
Okay.
So, bali ang ano po niya kay Luke is, I wouldn't say type na type niya talaga si Luke, ay si Luke in the series dahil parang nakikita niya yung sarili niya nung bata pa siya.
Okay.
Kasi wala nang responsibilities, parang inaalagaan lang siya ng nanay niya, so baby boy pa siya, so na-type niya talaga si Luke. So, dyan yung makikita.
Interesting. How about your acting background or showbiz background?
My showbiz background, ano po lang, recently lang po ako nag-showbiz, like around 3 years lang po, pero I did workshops po with Star Magic ever since I started. So, I would say I have enough experience pa din. I just did recently a show with Joshua Garcia sa Unbreak My Heart.
Oh, wow. Pero ang takeaway ko doon sa mga nagsalita sa likod lahat, nagbunga yung pag-workshop ninyo, no? So kung merong isang nanonood dyan na gustong mag-Star Magic, mag-workshop na yung mga yan, di ba? Baka next time sila na yung nakaupo dito. Crystal, I will not forget your name. Crystal Ball. Crystal, ikaw naman. What's your role and your background in acting?
Hello po, ako po si Crystal Ball, and I play the character of Tanya. So Tanya is a Cebuana who came from Cebu and transferred to Manila, and she's adjusting to the city, to the language, and she's also struggling in her YouTube content and career. So her love interest is also si Faye, who Kay plays. And she just wants to feel safe somehow, and she wants to rant out to someone. So Faye is someone who she can go to.
And talk to.
Yes.
How about your acting background, Crystal?
With my acting background, I have none at the moment.
Okay.
I
Fresh na
don't-
talaga.
Yes
First,
po.
very first. Okay.
Opo. So I've only done workshops with Star Magic, and I've done performances like Christmas Fashion.
Okay.
Yung recently sa Araneta Coliseum.
That's
po.
right. Wow. Well, welcome to
Thank you
the
po.
industry. Maraming salamat, Crystal.
Salamat po.
Ang may pinakamaraming fans club ngayong hapon, Ralph, ikaw naman. Dami ka agad bit-bit eh. Ralph, ano ba ang role mo dito?
Hi everyone, I'm Ralph De Leon and I play the role of Atom in Zoomers.
Okay.
So si Atom actually ang student council president ng school na where Zoomers is set. And I am also very well-rounded A-lister student, honor student, varsity player.
Okay.
But there's a hidden past. So if you want to find out what my hidden past is in Zoomers, stay tuned.
Yun, nakapapanood namin. Okay, your background.
Well, my background in acting actually, this is my very first project.
Kasi I heard you're a model.
Yes, I started out as a model, fashion shows, commercials,
TVCs, no?
TVCs, yes, and I also hosted backstage for Miss Universe.
Oh,
Miss Universe
Philippines.
Philippines.
Right. You look like someone who's no longer here. So good you're here.
Thank you.
Mamaya ko na lang ibubulong. Okay. Thank you, Ralph. Let's go to Kriza.
Hello po. Hello po kay MJ. And hello po sa lahat ng press natin tonight.
Nakakatuwa si Kriza direct. Finally!
Finally!
Diba? Ano bang, para lang sa mga first time narinig si Kriza or makikilala si Kriza, when ka nag-start Kriza and ano na yung mga nagawa mong projects?
So, when I was 13 years old, nag-audition po ako sa PBB.
Okay.
So, doon po talaga nag-start lahat yon. And then, right after PBB po, nagkadaya ng ginto ako, MMK, nag-Easy to Her, tapos Wild Little Love, and yung mga ibang projects ko po na nasa I1 pa, ganyan. Tapos, yung pinaka-last project ko po is His and to Her.
So this is the first biggest project for you.
Yes po.
Yan! Nakakatawa. Congratulations,
Thank
Kriza.
you po.
Let's go to your seatmate, si Luke naman. Luke!
And hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. And ako po si Kokoy, ito po
That's right.
si Zoomers. And si Kokoy po is Mama's sad boy.
Mama's Sad
Yes,
Boy.
Mama's
Hindi
Sad
Mama's
Boy.
Boy, ha?
Mama Sad Boy.
Mama's Sad Boy.
And
Okay.
ano po siya, best friend po siya ni Jigs, which is si Harvey.
Okay.
And sobrang mayayain po siya, wala po siyang experience sa pagiging teenager. So, very innocent.
Introvert, parang ganon.
Yes po. Yes.
Ah.
And, ayun, ang past mga projects ko po is na-discover po ako sa The Voice Kids Season 2.
The Voice Kids
2015.
Season 2. Kaninong batch yun?
Kay Ella po.
Ah,
Kay Kyle.
Okay, okay,
Ayan.
okay.
So, after ko po mag-The Voice Kids, dun po ako nag-start mag-Star Magic way back 2015. And dun po ako napasama po sa mga teleserye, The Greatest Love, Nang Saan,
Right.
Ikaw Lang Ibig.
So, iniwan mo na yung singing.
So, opo, mas nag-focus na po ako sa acting po kasi doon na po ako nabigyan ng opportunity po.
Papasampling pa naman sana. Pero wag na. Pero congratulations, look ha. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Harvey! Ikaw naman, what's your role here, Jigs?
Yes, hello po. Ako po si Harvey Bautista. I play Jigs. Siyempre, isa sa mga Zoomers. And I play an aspiring filmmaker who has personal problems. And siyempre, ang love interest ko dito ay si Hope.
Okay.
Keza.
Sa mga nakakakilala po kay Harvey, noong una po naglalakad lang mo yan sa hallway pag may taping sila
Yes.
ng Going Bulilin.
Diyan po, sa likod.
Diyan lang,
Dito sa
dito lang.
Studio 5.
Studio lang,
Yes,
Studio
yes.
4 and 5, di
Yes.
ba?
Opo.
Tapos, your mom is here.
Yeah,
Where's
she's
your
right
mom?
here.
Yeah, there. Your mom is here. At
Mom is here.
nung nagkausap kami ng mom mo, parang talagang tuwang-tuwa siya. Finally, you are here. Kasi may binulong siya sa akin. Sorry, tapos sabihin ko na, ha? Parang may binulong siya. Parang dati daw, kapag sinasabihan ka ng mom mo na, anak, may go-see. Go-see na naman, tapos hindi naman ako makukuha. Di ba? Kaganon.
Direk, sorry.
No, the reason why I said that, because finally, iba na ngayon. Now you got it.
Yes, yes. It's overwhelming. But yeah, all of us are here. No, it's just not just me. Everyone is here.
Pero nagbago na ba yung pananaw mo na go-see na naman, hindi na naman makukuha?
Hindi
Pero
naman.
ngayon kasi, nakuha ka na.
Hindi naman sa nakuha na, pero syempre on audition is still an audition. Pero
That's right. You worked hard
Excited.
for it, di ba?
Yes, yes.
To get the role,
Yes,
di ba?
po.
Okay, so
Wait,
now...
sorry, before we move
Go
on,
ahead.
there's just something I need to do.
Go ahead. Ay, may mga ganito. Yeah! Oh, alis na kami ha. Tata.
Thank you, Harv.
Bakit eh? Okay, magpaliwanag ka. Ngayon, ginawa mo yan in public. Magpaliwanag ka. Ba't ka nag-abot ng bulaklak?
Syempre, premiere night event, di ba?
Ganon. Tama naman. Reaction, Kriza?
Thank you, Harvey. I don't know what to say.
Oh, nag-blush ka bigla eh. Oh, nag-blush si Kriza bigla. Okay, now, thank you Harvey for that.
Yes, thank you.
Baka meron kang gustong abutan ng ano ba? Leksyon, pagkain. Okay, maraming salamat Harvey. Okay, now we go to the team that selected our cast members. Si Direk Chad, Direk Ted, and LFD. Ang first question ko, Direk, is bakit kinailangan nyo pang mag-go-see when you can already select them? Direk, sino bang Direk LMD na, Direk LMD. Direk Lauren.
Importante madaanan nila yung proseso na hindi ganun kadali mag-cast. Hindi porke may project, ikakast ka lang baga. Kailangan maramdaman nila na you have to work for it eh.
Right.
Diba? Tsaka minsan, pag bago, we make sure na tama yung bibigyan namin role. Kasi lalo na ngayon, di ba, it's a make or break. Yung one-time opportunity can be your last opportunity.
That's right.
Actually. So, importante sa amin as a creative team na we give them the right role. At hindi lang yan, sometimes when I read the social media, sinasabi, dapat si ganito o si ganyan. May chemistry rin kasing binubuo eh, lalo na pag love story, meron niyang angulo ng love, meron niyang physical compatibility,
That's
may
right.
personality compatibility. Hindi siya basta-basta. Hindi madali yung casting process, pero maganda siyang proseso para na rin sa mga tao behind the scenes, na nararamdaman nila, yung potential. Kasi nakikilala nila lalo yung ano. It was not just a casting in itself. They were interviewed. A writer spoke to them, got their POV tungkol sa mga